Area Commander ka Nyautrap National Liberation Council Hnlc hak arpusan trek urempang arhajar arpun riau ulawan ban Pyndemwait akmat ki bor pulet rengkat ke jing Kem Arngut ki weipat ki kada ki bedan keti haki kam Pynbthei Bom. Kargum kejing betip nak liang Assistant General ki pulet la kedau ba uni uhek Hnlc ulawan Pyndemwait udi belatip kerteng kom u Samuel wa alang Pak Sentiu belatip ru kom u Samuel wa alang. Ubri ukon je ikong Beryl wa alang Pak Sentiu bad Uba Edwin lengdok maunai bam kuai doar ublei ki benin aksionong umpa wen haga distrik Riboy. U Samuel ulalit ban Pyndemwait akamat u superintendent ki pulet ke distrik Eastern West Khasi Hills Hamairang haga arpusan trik urempang haga jingidon rekat ki dikot kelonggieng ki dong ilam snong bat ki hek pulet. Nasuba bu uni udukot udan keti haga jing Pynbthei Bom IED haga sindiket bastan hatam metor haga kendai trik uleber ke senam arhajar arpusau. Kentup lang bat bon kiwe pat ki kambean hagi ni kisnem ke belalet. Hagi jing toket u Samuel ula pla bakom ba arsnem ula persyang ban penrung dekat temai ki samla keseng Hnlc rengkat ke jing sela bagi dekat keseng ki badan ha Bangladesh. Katba ke jing toket kadang yat ki pulit keleo ban Kem Arngut ki dekat na sning ki bala suba bagi dan keti ha ke jing penbiang beriau. Bat ke jing temu ban Pynbthei Bom IED hayo sning ha ka kat arterik risau arhajar arpusan. Kabagi pulit keleo ban penkelamno ya ketua kajing temu ha ketua kepor. Ki pulit kila register mokot numa persya kini ki beliau hapo ki kendon baper jong ke BNS. Ha kebaidai bagania u menteri kampo yang kejela ba presiden tensong ha baikran bakilat patai kubor. Ula pensisai kini kajing Pyndemwait baru ula ai kajing kublai unu dukot u balasye mekarai ban wan pai no syakelenti kebadai. Uba Presiden tensong ulang syok-syok bagi sorkar jela bat ke sorkar pedang ki playbet ya kilenti bani keran esok. Bat ula kentu ya barok ki dekat ke Hnlc ke pedang dana klau banuan paino namar ke sorkar ka kloy bani rap bat penbiang ya ke GM ke batia asok bat ki buan Pyndemwait ki nyo ke jing ada bat kelat ban penbhai ke jing im. Ula ban rap ru bagi tenat pulet kan zapelat ki jing tep ki babnia hadian beladap ke jing toket ke babnia bat ula kentu ki weipat bakim dai bantiang banuan Pyndemwait. Namar kata kalau ke bakam dan kam ban ieno yaki kambean.
But yes, it is true that one area commander of the Hnlc, who is also very active, he surrendered to the police force, and his name also you will be known. And so let us see the next course of action will be accordingly taken. But my appeal to other cadres of the Hnlc also can follow the same footsteps like made by the one who has just surrendered few hours back to kindly join with us to the mainstream. This is my only appeal to other members. Well, see, there are so many reasons where ultimately he decided to take this way of surrendering. I think you understand, being a young man, sometimes after you think it properly, you sit down maybe alone, you sit at home or you sit in any place wherever you are. Ultimately, you found out that yes, maybe I have to come back to the mainstream. Because as I said to you, my appeal to all those members of the HNLC, better come back to the mainstream. We are there, government is there to help you out, and we are there. Well, they may think that yes, we have, the moment we come out, we may be booked, we may be arrested. The law is there. The law is there, but let me tell you one thing. Once you come out from the underground activities, you will also at the same time be fully protected. You will also be fully think of how to make sure that your career is again in the mainstream. I think that is very important. Let them understand about it, that we really serious about it, be it from the central government, be it from state government. We would like to see the cadres to come out and not only that, join with us in the ministry.
Well, the peace talk till today, the door is not closed yet. The door is still open, be it from the government of India or be it from the state government. We are open to that talk again. So we leave it to their, because the ball right now is in their court. If they decide, we can resume talk. But if they don't, we can't say anything on that.